name is Kara Mezek. I'm a branch assistant for the Wicomico Public Libraries at the Center Branch, and today we're going to be making holiday craft cards as part of our cozy crafting project. So for this craft, you'll need some tempera paints. You can use any colors that you like. I'm using red and green. Something to put your paints on. You'll need 2 sheets of cardstock, some markers, some scissors, tape, and some Q-tips. So to get started, we're going to take our first piece and fold this in half to make our card. So this project actually goes a lot easier if you design the inside of your card first. You can use whatever color markers, however many colors you want. So we'll let that sit for just a moment. So on our second piece of cardstock, we're going to draw our cutout, which will go on the front. If you don't have access to a computer or printer, this is a really easy way to draw a Christmas tree, but you can also draw whatever shape you want. So for my Christmas tree, I'm just going to start by drawing a really small triangle at the top. And then we're going to follow the corners down. So this completes another triangle, and then we're going to do one more. I'm actually going to draw that just a little bit smaller for when I cut it. So that's all we need to do because it's going to be a cutout. Have your scissors ready. If you look at the back, we have a Christmas tree shape. Put all of that aside. So you're going to take 2 long pieces of tape here. Move that in towards the middle just a little bit. And then maybe one more at the top. place that lower. Now you can do this if you choose. I'm going to write a greeting. So now it's time to add the paint. So right now I'm taking 3 Q-tips at a time and bunching them together. Dot off the excess. And you want to layer the edges of your tree all the way around. Soaking up a little bit of the extra right there on that corner, and then you just keep on going. So I have a little bit of extra in various places, so I'm just going to dot that right up. Same process. And now I'm going to take just a single Q-tip and I'm going to add a little bit of color. And now I'm going to repeat the first step where I'm going to take a bunch of them and I'm going to add some more green. Again, you can be doing this with whatever colors you want, however many colors you want. Alright, so now I have plenty of color on the front of my card. It's really best to let this dry for about 1 to 2 hours while you lay it flat. I'm going to very carefully pull this up so you can see the finished product. So now you have a dotted print of your holiday shape. Thank you very much for joining the Wicomico Public Libraries with the Center Branch. We will see you next time.